Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and a real mystery to scientists. This gas giant is 11 times larger than Earth and has a mass of more than 300 Earth masses. Named after the ancient Roman god of thunder and sky, Jupiter is impressive not only for its size, but also for its many amazing features. Today, we're going on a fascinating journey to uncover the secrets of this huge planet and its mysterious satellites. Let's start with the fact that Jupiter, like Saturn, is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Its atmosphere is incredibly dense and multi-layered, with bands of various shades of brown, orange, and white. These bands are made up of ammonia, methane, sulfur, and water vapor. In the upper atmosphere of Jupiter blows the strongest winds. Their speed can reach up to 600 kilometers per hour. It is thanks to these winds that the planet's atmosphere is divided into dark and light bands, which give Jupiter its characteristic striped appearance. But perhaps the most recognizable element of Jupiter is its famous Great Red Spot. This is a giant storm that has been raging on the planet for over 350 years. The diameter of this storm is so large that it could fit two to three Earth-sized planets. Interestingly, the Great Red Spot has been gradually shrinking over the past few decades, and scientists still can't say exactly why this is happening. Nevertheless, this storm remains one of the most impressive phenomena in our solar system. Jupiter also has an incredibly powerful magnetic field that is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This magnetic field creates a huge magnetospheric bubble around the planet that can deflect the solar wind. Because of this, bright auroras form around Jupiter, similar to the auroras on Earth, but much more powerful and large-scale. These auroras are visible in the ultraviolet and infrared and are some of the most spectacular phenomena we can observe in space. But Jupiter is not only interesting in its own right, but also for its many satellites. This planet has more than 80 known satellites, among which the four largest were discovered back in 1610 by Galileo Galilei. These are the so-called Galileo satellites: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Let's take a closer look at each of them. Io is the most volcanically active object in the solar system. On its surface, there are hundreds of active volcanoes that spew sulfur and gas up to a height of 500 kilometers. Scientists believe that such activity is caused by the strong gravitational influence of Jupiter and neighboring satellites, which constantly need Io, causing its inner layers to heat up. Europa is one of the most mysterious places in our solar system. The surface of this satellite is covered with a thick layer of ice, but underneath it probably hides an ocean of liquid water. Some scientists speculate that microorganisms or even more complex life forms may exist in this subglacial ocean. Missions are planned to go to Europa in the coming decades to confirm or deny this hypothesis. Ganymede is the largest satellite in the solar system. It is even bigger than the planet Mercury. It has its own magnetic field, something no other satellite has. Like Europa, Ganymede also has an underground ocean, making it another possible candidate for the search for extraterrestrial life. Callisto is the most distant of Galileo's satellites and is characterized by a large number of craters. It is considered one of the oldest objects in the solar system, with its surface virtually unchanged since the satellite formed billions of years ago. Callisto may also contain an underground ocean, although it is much deeper than on Europa and Ganymede. Jupiter and its satellites represent a true space system in miniature. These worlds are so different yet interconnected that studying Jupiter helps us to better understand the processes occurring not only in our solar system, but in the entire universe. The Juno spacecraft is currently orbiting around Jupiter and has been sending us unique data about the planet for many years. Thanks to Juno, scientists have gained new insights into Jupiter's structure, atmosphere, magnetic field, and even how its rings and satellites were formed. This mission has opened up new horizons and helped answer many questions, but it has also created even more mysteries. Jupiter is rightly considered the king of the planets, and its incredible power, majesty, and diversity continue to inspire scientists, astronomers, and all space enthusiasts. It reminds us of how much remains to be discovered in our solar system and in the universe as a whole. Do you think there is a chance of discovering life beneath Europa's icy surface? What other secrets can Jupiter and its satellites hide? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes and share this video so you don't miss new exciting journeys through our universe.